problem is not with an Upanishad, not with a sutra, is not with a certain teaching. It is our understanding, our translation, and the confusion comes from concentrating on the word and not the essence of the word. Are you understanding the point? For example, the word dhyana, which is meditation, dhyan and dharana. Yes, the word dhyana and dharana has been interpreted as concentration and mindfulness. So there are different interpretations. That is not the right interpretation. You cannot concentrate when you are meditating. You have to be aware and focused. So that is the problem which rises with the various things that they interpret, they translate in their own manner. So we have to understand beyond these interpretations and go into the essence. The same finger can be used to point at different things. So it is with the words, don't look at the finger. Look at what the finger is pointing at. The words can be used to describe different conditions, different states. You see, you use the same one finger, बोले एक उंगली से आप अलग अलग दिशाओं में दिखा सकते हैं, आप डायरेक्शन दिखा सकते हो. तो इसका मतलब नहीं है कि वो उंगली महत्वपूर्ण है. वो डायरेक्शन कहाँ जाना है उसे समझना है. We have to look at where the finger is pointing and not the finger itself and get stuck to the finger. Hello. We have to listen to the teachings of Lord Krishna and not get stuck to the image of Krishna. We have to learn deeply from the experiences of Rama and his attributes, his qualities, and not in the image of Rama. Are you understanding the point? So that is the meaning of this statement. Don't get stuck to the finger. Go to where it is being pointed to. Is it clear? We need to look at where it is being pointed to.